Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel CodeBeyondDegree. Welcome to our WordPress series. In this series, we are going to know how to upload SVG file to WordPress without installing a plugin. You can manually enable SVG support by adding code to your theme function PHP file or to a custom plugin. Here, how you can do it. Back up your site. Before making any changes to your site code, it's essential to back up your website. This ensures that you can restore your site if anything goes wrong. Edit functions.php or create a custom plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearances, Theme Editor, locate the function.php file on the right side, add code to enable SVG. To enable SVG support, add the following codes to your theme's function.php file. I will add this code in our comment section. After editing the code, click on Update File button to save the changes if you are editing the functions.php file. Upload SVG file. Once you have added the code and saved the changes, you can upload SVG file to your WordPress media library just like you would with other media file. Go to Media, add new in your WordPress dashboard, select the SVG file from your computer and upload it to your media library. Use uploaded SVG. After uploading the SVG file, you can use it in your post page or anywhere else on your website where media can be inserted. You can insert the SVG file directly into your content by clicking on the Add Media button in Post Page Editors and selecting the Upload SVG file from your media library. By following these steps, we can manually enable SVG support in WordPress. You can safely upload SVG file without installing any plugin. That's all for today's tutorial on working with media in WordPress. I hope you find this information helpful. Stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tricks in future episodes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for update. See you next time.